Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the count up block in Kadence. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Kadence's block library. To get started, let's go ahead and create a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. So there's a couple ways to make a new page. The first one is if you're on your site, on your front end, you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you're on your dashboard, head over to your left-hand sidebar, down to Pages, and click on Add New Page. Okay, once we're here, just a couple housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish. Click on that. It's called Settings. This is where all of the configuration settings will appear for us to toggle. Next, let's give our page a title. Just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's go ahead and add the block itself. So there's this blue one over here called the block inserter. Click on that. We can search for our block over here or scroll down. But since we have Kadence on top here, we can just go ahead and search, take a look over at CountUp and click on that or drag and drop it into our workspace. Let's go ahead and close the block inserter and take a look at how to customize this. So we'll click on this block here, okay, and we can go ahead and customize this. So here we have our ending number. Our starting number can be not 0, so it can be 57 up to 100, right? But we can make this 6782, right? And it's going to preview for us automatically. And we can put the prefix, which could be $, could be anything you want. You can be a %, right? And we can have both of them on at the same time. And then over here we can put a bottom text, increase in sales, right? We can put we can customize what the 1000 separator is depending on what you're going for, and we can also change what the decimal is. So the decimal, we can add a decimal number here, so 0.55, right? And it's going to end on the 0.55 over there, and we can change our counter over here, right? And then we can change how many decimal spots we want, right? If you wanted to measure precision things. Next, we can change the style. Okay, we can change the title here, and we can change the color of the title, change the text alignment, minimum height, right? We can change it to use our global HTML tag settings here, heading 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can change our font size and our other typography options here. Change it to a different kind of font, okay, and change the letter spacing, and then change the padding over here if we needed to do that, but I'll keep it on stock. And then for our number settings, we can change our number color. Let's make it contrast a bit. We can change it to align over here on the middle, minimum height. We can change the font size, right, and change the font family as well, so we can have a different set of numbers, okay, and we can make it bold if we wanted to, or like heavy, and then we can make it italics, right? We can also change the letter spacing, and we can also change our paddings and margins over there. And next we have our advanced settings, so we can save this as default, so when we add this block in again, we can have this as our starting number if we wanted to copy that way, and our advanced additional CSS classes. So let's go ahead and click on Publish to save this block, and let's take a look at it on our live site. Okay, with that done saving, let's go ahead and click on View Page. And this is how our Kadence CountUp block looks like, and that's how we can configure it. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.